Hello, it's Alex and I'm here today at Kingsdown Classics, Colin Gould's garage in Farringdon. I've come in Mr Jenkins and I've found Mr Jenkins' twin, another Rover 2000 automatic on an E-plate. I think we may have seen this one before at Colin's, but this is what Mr Jenkins would have looked like. Zircon blue, automatic, although this one's got a light coloured interior. See, it's got the old gearbox like mine with L for lock. What do you think, Mr Jenkins? How's it feel seeing your twin? They're not saying much to each other, are they? A few other cars outside Colin's. Lovely Rover P5B. It's having some work done to it by the looks of it. A few other things hidden around. Another Zircon blue P6. V8 Series 1 with the light coloured interior, automatic with L. Interesting. I didn't know they supplied the V8 with that type of gearing setup, so whether that plate's been changed or not, I don't know. That is interesting. I've not seen that before. It's a V-Reg. So what's that, 1969? There's Colin's workhorse. It looks like we've got an SD1 in Zircon blue as well. Cool. 4.6 V8. So it's windy today. Yeah, that's in Zircon blue again. All we need now is a P5 in Zircon blue. Oh look, there's a P5 in Zircon blue. Now can you see why I didn't bother keeping Mr Jenkins an original colour? Because it seems to be quite a common colour around here. And we've seen this car over here before as well, at Riley. What we got hiding under the cover? There's a P6 under there. And this one's got the bonnet up. This is a TC 1969. So it's early enough to have the battery under the bonnet. And those big fat carburettors on, look. What else can we look at? I must say that look at this interior on this SD1. That's Zircon blue inside as well. Cool. Blue inside and outside. That's a lot of blue in one motor, that is. It's very nice though. God, even the seat belts are blue. Let's hope the driver's not blue as well. We might live in a blue house. We'll have to sing songs to him like blue dabba dee dabba die. It's always exciting visiting Colin. Sorry about the camera spinning around, I'm just excited to look at all the cars. In Colin's garage because there's some work being done over there, some welding, compressors on. This car looks like it's getting quite a lot of work done. Look, the seal's cut out of this one. You can see my shoes. Yes, this is having new inner and outer sills by the looks of it. There's absolutely nothing. Oh, there's a bit there. And all this as well is being refabricated right the way up here. Wow. Look at all that. That box section there as well. And there's a lot of work going on here. That's a good idea, so you don't catch your trousers on the way out. This side is a lot healthier. Must have had work done in the past. If we look down there, that all looks like it was done in the past and is all protected. But not that side. Colin has got one of the new Rover badges that Wins International is now supplying. I think they're about 90 quid or something. They're definitely under 100. Here it is. Here it is, next to an original one. I mean, it's really heavy. Absolutely solid. I can't say anything bad about it because it does feel solid, good quality. You know, it's enamel, so it should never have to be, well, it should never crack or be an issue in the time you're going to own the car. But it's not right, is it? It's not like the old one. The old one's slightly curved to fit the bonnet, but this looks pretty flat. I don't know how that's going to sit on the bonnet. It's going to look a bit flat, isn't it? But I suppose if your Rover badge is terrible, that is a godsend, that replacement one, isn't it? Because the original one is domed and it's a completely smooth plastic face. Metal round the edge with a smooth plastic face with the pressing inside, whereas this one is all lumpy. You can feel everything, so you know, polish and dirt and stuff is going to get trapped in these little bits here. So I think it's going to take some cleaning. Thankfully the actual wording Rover is smooth. That must have some kind of clear lacquer over it, but this is all raised. Don't know what to think of that. It's nice, but it's not right. Now I've just moved Mr Jenkins, so he's next to his twin. Look at them, aren't they lovely together? All nice and clean. And if I go over here, you can see some of the sludge that comes out of a Rover's sump. Can you see that in there? Ew, that is gross. And this cup here, this is all the silt build-up that you'll find. It's not out of that car, but this is all the silt build-up you'll find behind your side plates on a Rover 2000 engine in 4-pot. Just, I don't know what it is, it's just horrible. He's getting a door down for me from up the top, because I need a new door for Mr Jenkins. Look at my door, it's just getting worse every day. Look at it. Oh, horrible. It's only that bottom bit though. Sorry about the noise. Here it is. I got a rocket cover gasket as well. Right, we just left Colin's and we're on our way home. that's us back home now. Thanks for watching. Bye.